Hi Ken, as you can see from the top right hand corner, I'm Rob Unata. I want to tell you about my 3 months experience being a Part 107 drone pilot and why I'd love to have the opportunity to get your Phantom 4. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should I give my Phantom 4 to this pyromaniac? Well, I didn't start this fire. I recorded it with my Maverick Pro just a week after getting my Part 107 license. On my way back from work, I noticed some smoke, and a local business down the street let me set up and film it. The local station also loved the footage because it was on a one-way street and they couldn't get shots they wanted. I was pumped and now ready to film more. But what would I shoot? Well, I had an idea soon after to film local historic sites. There's this local park with an old building called Lennerman's Mill. I got all set up and took off. And then disaster struck. As you can see here, I got my Maverick Pro up in the air with a beautiful takeoff and soon lost the connection to it. My heart sank to my stomach as I watched it go out of my reach and crash on the other side of the river under the bridge. I wasn't able to retrieve my drone, but a friendly park ranger got it back for me. The right front leg needed replaced, and that was okay because I love fixing things. So after a few more weeks, I set off with a new idea. Film lighthouses on Lake Erie. You may remember an email I sent you 2 weeks ago with me in a lighthouse with a cozy on it. I hope you enjoyed that. And no, I wasn't able to film it. Here's what I did get, though. I'm up in Ashtabula County, and I'm at one of the piers up here. And I just got done doing some video photography with my Maverick Pro drone. Let's see how it turned out. Now, I think this is a pretty good footage, even though my Mavic isn't at 100%. I get warning messages about the front sensors, and from time to time, I still lose connection with it. With the newish Phantom 4, my footage could be even better and more epic, and I wouldn't have to fear losing it as much over bodies of water. Any way you could hook me up? Ken, I want to thank you also for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I did making it. This is my first official drone video for YouTube. I also want to thank you for the years of fun educational drone videos. You are a huge influence, an inspiration for me. And win or lose, you have at least one subscriber for life. Drone piloting can be a rocky experience.